and without have any trust in third-party authorities. So in this scenario, we have no middleman, but still in cryptocurrency we have some kind of middleman. You can think about, for example, custodian wallet that owns your private keys. They in real sense owns your money, just like a bank does. Or you can think about centralized exchange. Still, they need to own your money. You don't are the owner of your money when you buy cryptocurrency inside exchange that are centralized. If someone attack it, if they stole your money, one single attack that has succeeded to enter in exchange steal the money of everyone. And we have history of it. A lot of exchange was being attacked and money was stolen from it. And also we have some kind of gap because not every wallet are the same. In general, if you don't have custodian wallet, but if you have wallet with private key ownership directly, the user experience is not so very good. So when the wallet owns your private key, you have a better user experience because it's more easy to provide the user experience without ownership of the private keys. And then we have issue with token sale. Token sale is a very good instrument, maybe the best instrument that we have now, an evolution in the fundraising, but we have a lot of issue on it. A lot of token sale are not trustless. Lot of projects broken their promise. They promise to build something and never succeed. We still believe in this dream. We really believe in a more permissionless, trustless, and censorship-resistant world. With an easier access for everyone to cryptocurrency, without any kind of border, and with a good user experience. A place with more decentralized exchange coming in the place for a fairer market. With fair token sale, or at least fair enough, that get guarantee to investor. That's why we are building Tokendo. Tokendo is built of three main aspects: a trustless wallet, a token or DAI co-creator, and a decentralized exchange. All these three aspects work together, building the Tokendo ecosystem. The wallet that is already available on the store has different kind of feature. For the moment, is only Ethereum and ERC20. You can download from our store. And if you are interested, just for this event, we are doing an airdrop. So we will gift some of our token to people that will download and install the app. So you can come to the stand and see the instruction of the airdrop. It has also some kind of functionality like a built-in KYC system, is a multi-account, and soon will be also multi-currency. The DAI co-creator is, you can think about the DAI co-creator almost like a WordPress for build smart contract of a token sale. With a WordPress, you can build your website just in a few clicks. With our DAI co-creator, you can build your own token and token sale with just a few clicks. But we add also another concept with milestone control system. Our idea starting in 2017, we was a group of friends trying to find a way to make more fair the token sale. And we comes out with this idea, putting in a smart contract a milestone control system that doesn't release the money at once to the project, but little by little, giving to the owner of the token the ability to vote, stop the project, and get their money back if the project doesn't succeed. You can think about, for example, it can be even not a scam, but just a team that fight together, split, but they maybe in the token sale have reached 10 million, I don't know. What you get with their money? Nothing, because when a transaction is made on a blockchain, it's made forever. No one can roll it back. So we developed this smart contract where the money are collected and released little by little, and the founder, and the token holder have the ability to vote in a trustless way to the smart contract to get at least part of the money back. Then, after this process of creation of this idea, comes out Vitalik Buterin that was invented this name, DAI ICO, that is means decentralized autonomous ICO. And it gets some of our idea of milestone. So we embrace these terms and start to talk also about the ICO. And now we are integrating this idea in the Tokendo ecosystem. The token creator has mainly these three features. So generate automatically the smart contract, has the milestone control system inside, and also an active token identification. The smart contract generation is just a dashboard where you input data, press a button, and create a smart contract directly on the blockchain. The milestone, in general, milestone in a common way is just a point in a time. It means a precise point in a time. But in our system is a frame of time. It's the frame because we need a certain amount of time to give the user the possibility to express their vote. So when we reach a milestone, the milestone is not a point, but a period of time. In that period, the votation can be expressed in the blockchain. If the owner of the token stops the project, all the Ether that remain in the contract go back to the investor, and the project get their token back. So if they like, if they want, can make a second token sale. And then there is active token identification on the DICO creator, because if you have to express a votation, you need to reach 51%. It means 51% in general is calculated on the total supply of the token. But if you think about you have some token of the team, some token in the exchange, some token that are lost, it's possible sometimes that you never reach that 51% to stop a project. So the milestone control system is controlling the active token. It means only the token that are moving earlier near the milestone. So the total supply is not among the real total supply of all the token, but just on the moving one, the active one. So it's always possible to reach the 51%. And then there is the decentralized exchange. The DEX you can find at dex.tokido.io. It is working. You can touch with hand what we are working on, but it's still in test. So it is on the Rupsten chain. It's not on the mainnet. The difference between Rupsten and main is that Rupsten you don't have real money. You can take coin, like let's say fake Ethereum from Faucet for free, and then experiment our exchange and try it. Here, just an explanation how our decentralized exchange works. There is a user, that is the mobile phone, that wants to sell some coin. First of all, he needs to make a deposit. The deposit is not on our server, but is just in the smart contract. So it's trustless. We don't own the deposit of the user. Then he signs a claim, sending this claim to our server. There is still a centralized part, but is not involved in the ownership of the money. It's just for make real-time experience to the user, because in general, decentralized exchange suffer of not real-time experience. But in this way, the server immediately gets the signature, the cryptographic signature of the transaction, and can display in real time the order on the book order. From the other side, another user wants to buy that token and do the same things, sign a transaction, send to the server, and so immediately the book order updates, and after all, the smart contract will do the swap. So we'll send to the user, to one user the Ethereum, to other one the ERC20 token. I want to present just a business case on one of our clients. It was a community that was having a coin on the Omni layer. For no one who don't know what is Omni layer, it is kind of colored coin on Bitcoin. You can think about Omni layer like the ERC20 token of Ethereum, almost like. So they was having this token on the blockchain of Bitcoin, but they want to change it from the blockchain of Ethereum. So we built for them a cross-chain trustless swap. All the user was able to exchange their Omni token between the Ethereum. And that's why one of the main features that we will add on the exchange is also adding other cryptocurrency. As I told you, for the moment, the building product that you can try and test it is on Ethereum ERC20, but soon we will add also other cryptocurrency. Now we are in private sale right now. We will sell the token publicly at this price. The total supply that is a bit not rounded is because we have done friends and family private sales, and then we burn the remnant coin of that sales. So this is the burned coin. That's all. Thank you very much for your attention.